The animal kingdom is full of surprises. Hidden beneath the surface of nature's beauty lies a complex web of relationships. In this world of constant survival, some species have formed unexpected alliances, relying on each other in ways that often seem improbable. These partnerships are called symbiosis, where two organisms live in close association, often to their mutual benefit. Perhaps one of the best-known examples of symbiosis is the relationship between the clownfish and the sea anemone. At first glance, it may seem one-sided, with the clownfish gaining protection from predators by hiding within the anemone's toxic tentacles. But this partnership is far more balanced than it appears. In return for the anemone's protection, the clownfish keeps its host clean by removing parasites and debris. The clownfish's movements also help circulate water around the anemone, providing it with better access to nutrients. A perfect example of mutual benefit, where both species thrive because of their bond. Far from the coral reefs, in the savannas of Africa, another unique partnership unfolds. The oxpecker bird and the rhinoceros seem like an unlikely duo, yet their relationship is essential for their survival. The oxpecker feeds on parasites that infest the rhino's thick skin, ticks, flies, and other insects that would otherwise irritate and potentially harm the rhino. In return, the rhino provides the oxpecker with a reliable food source and a safe perch from which to survey the land. But there's more to this partnership. The oxpecker also acts as a sentry, alerting the rhino to potential danger with its sharp calls, a crucial warning in the unpredictable wild. In the vast expanse of the ocean, another intriguing relationship exists between pilot fish and sharks. Unlike the mutualistic relationships we've seen, this is an example of commensalism, where one species benefits while the other is neither helped nor harmed. Pilot fish swim in close proximity to sharks, feeding on leftovers from their powerful host's meals. The shark, with its unmatched predatory abilities, attracts food, while the pilot fish cleans up the scraps, ensuring nothing is wasted. The shark remains indifferent to the pilot fish's presence, continuing its dominance over the ocean's food chain. Not all symbiotic relationships are equal. In some cases, one species benefits at the expense of the other. This type of relationship is known as parasitism. The mistletoe plant, often seen as a symbol of peace during the holidays, plays a different role in nature. Mistletoe attaches itself to trees, draining them of water and nutrients. Though it may seem harmless, over time, the mistletoe can weaken and even kill its host, making this a deadly example of a one-sided symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationships can vary in their level of dependence. In some cases, species are so reliant on each other that they cannot survive without their partner. This is known as obligate symbiosis. Consider the relationship between leafcutter ants and the fungus they cultivate. The ants harvest leaves not for food, but as a substrate to grow the fungus they rely on for nourishment. In return, the fungus depends entirely on the ants for its cultivation and survival. In contrast, facultative symbiosis describes relationships where species benefit from each other but can survive independently. Take the example of bees and flowers. While flowers rely on bees for pollination, both species can thrive even if their paths do not cross. Symbiotic relationships have evolved over millions of years, shaping the way species interact with their environment and each other. These partnerships are not just random occurrences. They are the result of long-term coevolution, where species have adapted in response to one another's needs. Whether driven by mutual benefit or survival needs, these relationships demonstrate the intricate balance of nature. Symbiosis is not just about survival. It's about thriving together in a complex, interconnected world. In every corner of the natural world, we find species working together in surprising ways. From the tiny clownfish and sea anemone to the towering rhino and its vigilant oxpecker, these partnerships reveal the beauty and complexity of life on Earth. In a world where survival often means competition, it is these unlikely partnerships that remind us of the power
In the
of
vibrant
cooperation.
tapestry of the animal kingdom,
Symbiosis,
hidden
a
alliances
remarkable
unfold
testament
like the
to
petals of a
nature's
blossoming
ingenuity
flower.
and resilience.
Each partnership tells a unique story of survival, painted against the backdrop of nature's relentless competition. Amongst the densely layered foliage, tiny creatures and magnificent beasts weave intricate connections that defy our expectations and showcase the beauty of cooperation. Each day in the wild echoes with the sounds of interaction, as different species engage in their delicate dance of mutual benefit. A striking example is found in the interaction between clownfish and sea anemones. The brightly colored clownfish seeks shelter within the anemone's stinging tentacles, warding off potential predators while simultaneously providing the anemone with nutrients through its waste. This relationship exemplifies the art of survival. Two species thriving together while bound by nature's intricate design. Not all partnerships are born from necessity. Some arise from chance encounters that evolve over time. The oxpecker, a small bird renowned for its vibrant plumage, finds its home on the back of large mammals like rhinos and buffalo. In this peculiar alliance, the oxpecker feasts on ticks and parasites that infest the skin of its host. As the bird nibbles, it serves as a natural pest control agent, keeping its companion healthy while securing a steady meal for itself. Such connections remind us that in the realm of life, chances often cultivate unforeseen benefits. Within the depths of the ocean, the partnership between cleaner shrimp and larger fish reveals yet another facet of symbiosis. The shrimp sets up cleaning stations where fish willingly approach to receive a thorough cleanse of parasites and dead skin. This exchange not only boosts the fish's health, but also ensures a continuous food supply for the shrimp, highlighting the pivotal role of trust in nature's grand design. As we witness these enthralling alliances, we are reminded of nature's profound wisdom. Symbiosis challenges our perceptions of competition, as it unveils a world where cohabitation thrives amidst the harshest environments. It invites us to explore deeper into the relationships that sustain life, unveiling the intricacies that lie just below the surface. Ultimately, the animal kingdom is a masterpiece of intertwining narratives, an invitation to marvel at the unexpected bonds that unite each creature, revealing the harmony inherent in nature's design. In the vibrant underwater world, the relationship between clownfish and sea anemones is one of nature's exquisite forms of symbiosis. This partnership, rich in mutual benefits, challenges the notion that one party in a relationship may dominate the other. Far from a simple tale of predator and prey, this bond is a nuanced dance of survival and care. The clownfish, with its bright orange hue and striking white stripes, finds sanctuary in the anemone's stinging tentacles, a safe haven from predators lurking in the blue depths. Its body is immune to the anemone's venom, allowing it to frolic amidst the colorful structure with ease. Every dart and swirl of the clownfish draws attention to the anemone, attracting curious onlookers and providing an undeniable spectacle of life and color under the sea. While the anemone offers the clownfish shelter, it also benefits from this partnership. The clownfish plays a vital role in maintaining its host's health by removing debris and parasites that cling to the anemone, preventing infections and ensuring its vibrant polyps can thrive. Moreover, the clownfish's lively movements stir the water, enhancing circulation and allowing the anemone to absorb nutrients more effectively, further highlighting the delicate balance of their relationship. This mutualism goes beyond mere survival. It is a testament to how two different species can coexist in harmony. As the clownfish protects and cleans the anemone, it demonstrates a selfless component of their bond. This action reaffirms the idea that in nature, cooperation can yield significant rewards for both parties. The dynamic is a vivid reminder that relationships are often built on shared interests and the benefits each partner brings. In the sprawling savannas of Africa, a remarkable partnership thrives between an oxpecker bird and a rhinoceros. This alliance, seemingly improbable, blossoms in the golden grasslands, where two different species engage in a mutualistic relationship that showcases nature's ingenuity. Observing this duo, one can marvel at how the oxpecker clings effortlessly to the rugged skin of the rhino, darting in and out like a tiny acrobat, busily searching for unwelcome guests. The rhino, an imposing figure with its thick protective skin, stands as a living landscape for the oxpecker. Ticks, flies, and various parasites find refuge on the rhino, eager to feast on its flesh and blood. Yet, in this precarious existence, the oxpecker emerges as the rhino's unsung hero. With its sharp beak, it diligently removes these irritants, providing relief to its colossal companion. The rhythm of their interaction unfolds like a well-rehearsed dance, underscoring the interconnectedness of life in the wild. Not only does the oxpecker serve as a vigilant parasite remover, but it also plays a pivotal role as the rhino's watchful protector. With keen senses, the bird keeps an eye on the surrounding wilderness, its calls piercing through the air as a warning when danger approaches. For the rhino, often oblivious to lurking threats, these alerts become essential lifelines. The combination of sustenance and security creates a bond that benefits both creatures, illustrating nature's exquisite balance and the art of survival. As they roam the savanna, this dynamic duo illustrates the beauty of symbiotic relationships. The rhythms of life here are not just about individual survival, but about the intricate webs connecting species. Their partnership highlights the importance of coexistence in the face of adversity and change. With every tick removed and each warning call, the oxpecker reiterates its vital role in the grand tapestry of nature. Here in the savannas far from coral reefs, where life unfolds in unexpected ways, we learn that even the most unlikely partnerships can be crucial for survival. In the expansive depths of the ocean, a captivating relationship unfolds between two species, pilotfish and sharks. This interaction stands as a testament to the wonders of marine life, illustrating a unique form of commensalism, where one organism flourishes without impacting the other. Pilotfish, with their sleek bodies and vibrant scales, glide effortlessly alongside the fearsome sharks, navigating the water with a grace that belies the danger that lurks nearby. The pilotfish, clever in their scavenging behavior, capitalize on the predatory prowess of the shark. As the shark hunts, delivering powerful strikes to its prey, remnants of the meal scatter through the depths. The pilotfish, ever watchful, seize this opportunity, darting in to feast on the tantalizing leftovers. Their presence serves not only to clean up the ocean floor, but also highlights an extraordinary level of symbiosis, an elegant dance of survival where the pilotfish thrive in the shadow of their predator. For the shark, this relationship is notably indifferent. It continues to reign supreme over its marine domain, unconcerned with the small fish gliding beside it. The sheer dominance of the shark ensures a steady influx of food, while the pilotfish scavenge any morsels they can find. This dynamic showcases a fascinating aspect of nature. While the shark remains unbothered, the pilotfish benefit from the constant meals it unwittingly provides. Herein lies the beauty of commensalism. The pilotfish thrive on the edges of danger, their success woven intricately into the fabric of the shark's meal patterns. As the sun filters through the water's surface, creating shimmering patterns on the ocean floor, this relationship becomes one of survival in the vast ecosystem. The rhythm of life carries on, as sharks maintain their position in the food chain, while pilotfish reap the rewards of their proximity to such formidable creatures. Together, they illustrate a harmony found in nature, one species exerting power, while the other tactfully takes advantage of opportunity. In this realm, the ocean thrives and life persists, beautifully interconnected yet distinctly individual. In the enchanting world of nature, symbiotic relationships reveal the intricate dance of survival. Not all relationships, however, are built on equality and mutual benefit. Some, like that of the notorious mistletoe plant, illustrate the darker side of cooperation, parasitism. While mistletoe is often romanticized as a symbol of peace and goodwill during holiday celebrations, lurking beneath its festive exterior lies a more sinister reality. Mistletoe has evolved to be both an opportunist and a resourceful survivor. Clinging to the branches of trees, it subtly wields its power, attaching itself with specialized structures called haustoria. These tiny root-like appendages penetrate the host's tissues, unlocking a pathway to siphon much-needed water and nutrients. The tree, once proud and flourishing, becomes a mere victim of this botanical thief, stripped of its vitality as the mistletoe flourishes. Over time, this parasitic relationship heralds a slow death for the trees. As their water and nutrient supply dwindles due to the relentless absorption by mistletoe, the once vibrant foliage begins to yield to the signs of stress. Leaves may turn yellow and drop prematurely, branches can die back, and the overall health of the tree deteriorates. This process is often gradual, making it easy to overlook the detriment until it's too late. The host tree, vulnerable and weakened, may struggle to survive, falling prey to further ailments and pests. But the cycle doesn't end with the decay of its host. Mistletoe thrives, producing sticky berries that attract birds, completing its reproductive cycle. These birds, blissfully unaware of the ecological imbalance, they help perpetuate, consume, and disseminate the seeds, paving the way for more mistletoe growth. Thus, the parasitic relationship perpetuates, leading to forests where mistletoe problems can spread unchecked, tarnishing the health of entire ecosystems. As mistletoe charmingly dangles from tree branches, the duality of its existence highlights nature's complex relationships. While it may adorn the landscape with its vibrant presence, it serves as a stark reminder of the unseen battles occurring in the natural world, where one species' gain is often another's demise. Understanding such dynamics not only sheds light on the resilience of nature's design, but also calls for awareness in how we perceive our environment, beyond mere aesthetics. Symbiotic relationships showcase the intricate web of interdependence in nature, illustrating how species can either thrive in union or exist independently while still benefiting from their connection. Among these relationships, obligate symbiosis emerges as a profound demonstration of reliance, where two species become so interlinked that survival hinges upon their partnership. A striking example of this is found in the relationship between leafcutter ants and the fungi they cultivate. These industrious ants transform the landscapes they inhabit, not for their own consumption, but to meticulously harvest leaves that serve as a substrate for their fungal farms. The leafcutter ants venture into forests, cutting and transporting leaf fragments back to their colonies, where they engage in a fascinating process of cultivation. The leaves, stripped of their nutritional value for the ants, provide the perfect environment for the fungus to flourish. In this mutualistic dance, the ants are entirely dependent on the fungus for nourishment, as it is the only food source that sustains them. Meanwhile, the fungi have no means of existence outside the colony they rely on for growth and propagation. They need the ants not just for sustenance, but for their very survival. This relationship exemplifies the delicate balance of life, where one cannot thrive without the other, showcasing the essence of obligate symbiosis. In contrast, facultative symbiosis presents a more flexible dynamic, allowing for interspecies benefits without the extreme dependence found in obligate partnerships. The relationship between bees and flowers stands as a fundamental example of this type of interaction. Flowers entice bees with vibrant colors and sweet nectar, and in return, bees assist in pollination, facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants. While bees significantly enhance the flowering plant's chances of reproduction, both parties can exist independently. This interdependent relationship illustrates a beneficial connection that does not dictate mutual survival, allowing each species to thrive on its own conditions and resources. In exploring these two types of symbiotic relationships, one gains insight into the diversity of interactions found within ecosystems. From the obligatory dependence of leafcutter ants and their cultivated fungi, to the advantageous yet independent bond between bees and flowers, nature showcases remarkable adaptations. Understanding these dynamics emphasizes the importance of cooperation in the animal kingdom and highlights the multifaceted nature of survival strategies across different species. Through the lens of symbiosis, one can appreciate the wonders of life's intricate connections, revealing that while some relationships are life-sustaining, others offer a joyful flourishing that celebrates diversity without constraint. In the tapestry of Earth's ecosystems, symbiotic relationships weave a profound narrative of survival and adaptation. Over millions of years, species have developed intricate partnerships, each one a testament to the power of evolution in shaping interactions that benefit both parties. The delicate dance of symbiosis can be seen in the vibrant coral reefs, where colorful fish and corals coalesce, providing shelter and nourishment to one another. A perfect example of mutualism at work, crafting an underwater paradise filled with life and color. Consider the captivating bond between the clownfish and the sea anemone. The clownfish, with its striking orange and white stripes, finds refuge among the stinging tentacles of the anemone, which offers protection from predators. In return, the clownfish cleans the anemone and provides it with nutrients. This relationship, refined through generations, exemplifies the beauty of evolutionary synergy, where each creature thrives within its habitat's complexities. Through such alliances, both species not only survive, but flourish, illustrating nature's resilience and ingenuity. Similarly, the mighty rhino and the vigilant oxpecker showcase another layer of this complex web. The oxpecker perches on the back of the rhino, feasting on ticks and parasites that threaten the rhino's health. In doing so, the oxpecker secures a steady meal while simultaneously aiding the rhino in navigating its environment. This dynamic duo highlights how interdependence fosters strength and sustainability within ecosystems, reminding us that the balance of life often hinges on these unexpected relationships. As we explore different habitats from lush rainforests to arid deserts, we uncover countless examples of symbiosis, each more astonishing than the last. These partnerships are not mere coincidences, but rather the result of millions of years of coevolution, where every interaction weaves more closely into the overarching story of life. Symbiosis reveals a world where beings do not merely exist side by side, they engage, reciprocate, and elevate one another's existence. It teaches us that thriving in a complex and interconnected world requires harmony and cooperation, echoing the call for unity in all of life's forms. In the vast tapestry of nature, survival is often viewed through the lens of competition. However, nestled within this fierce struggle are extraordinary examples of symbiosis, where diverse species forge remarkable partnerships that thrive against all odds. This cooperation not only showcases nature's ingenuity, but also serves as a profound reminder of interconnectedness. Imagine a vibrant coral reef, where tiny cleaning shrimp diligently groom larger inhabitants, removing parasites and debris. In return for their services, these shrimp find protection in the nooks of the coral, forming a bond that benefits both parties immensely. Further up on land, the symbiosis between bees and flowers illustrates a beautiful dance of reciprocity. As bees flit from blossom to blossom, collecting nectar for their colony, they inadvertently pollinate the flowers, ensuring their reproduction. This harmonious relationship betokens nature's delicate balance. While the bees gain sustenance, the flowers thrive and proliferate. Such interdependence fosters biodiversity, sowing the seeds for an ecosystem that flourishes. Moreover, consider the interaction between certain fungi and tree roots. Mycorrhizal fungi connect with plants, extending their reach into the soil, accessing vital nutrients and water. In exchange, the trees provide sugars produced through photosynthesis. This alliance enhances the health of forests, allowing weaker trees to survive and grow alongside their stronger counterparts. It is in these cryptic alliances of fungi and trees that we see the resilience of life, drawing on the strengths of others for mutual benefit. Such partnerships offer critical lessons for human societies as well. In a world often driven by individual pursuits, the stories of symbiosis summon reflections on the importance of cooperation over mere competition. Just as species leverage their unique traits for collective survival, communities can harness their diversity to tackle complex challenges. From environmental conservation to social justice, the wisdom embedded in nature's partnerships urges us to acknowledge the power of working together toward common goals. In conclusion, symbiosis is a mesmerizing facet of life that encapsulates the essence of cooperation. It challenges the prevailing narrative of survival through competition, illustrating that resilience often blossoms from unlikely friendships. By embracing the spirit of symbiosis, Both in nature and within our communities, we can cultivate a world that thrives on collaboration, recognizing that together, we are undeniably stronger.
High above the forest floor, in the dense, unexplored canopy of the rainforest, exists a world teeming with life, a world often forgotten and unseen by human eyes. Today, we journey into the towering green giants to uncover the hidden creatures and complex ecosystems that make their home in the canopy. The rainforest canopy is the upper layer of the forest, where the tops of trees form a dense green ceiling. This layer receives the most sunlight and is home to some of the richest biodiversity on Earth. With little light reaching the forest floor, the canopy is where most of the forest life resides. Plants, animals, and entire ecosystems living side by side, high in the sky. Above the canopy lies the emergent layer, where only the tallest trees break through the dense vegetation. These giants of the sky, such as the kapok tree, reach heights of over 200 feet. Here, predators like the powerful harpy eagle reign supreme. With a wingspan of up to 7 feet, the harpy eagle patrols the skies, hunting for monkeys and sloths in the treetops below. The harpy eagle's strength is unmatched in the canopy. It is one of the few predators capable of hunting in such an elevated environment. The canopy itself is like a bustling city, filled with creatures that have adapted perfectly to life among the branches. From agile spider monkeys to the vibrant scarlet macaw, these animals rarely, if ever, touch the ground. They have evolved to leap, fly, and glide through this complex maze of foliage. Spider monkeys and howler monkeys use their tails like a fifth limb, gripping branches to swing from tree to tree. For them, the forest floor is a distant and dangerous place. Birds like the macaw, toucan, and hornbill thrive in this vertical world. Their bright colors may help with mate attraction, but also serve as camouflage among the vibrant flowers of the canopy. The animals are not the only wonders of the canopy. Plants have also developed remarkable adaptations to survive high above the forest floor. Epiphytes, such as orchids and bromeliads, do not need soil to grow. They cling to branches, absorbing moisture from the air. These plants create mini ecosystems, providing shelter for frogs, insects, and even small birds. The canopy is not just home to countless species. It plays a critical role in regulating the rainforest ecosystem. It traps moisture, influences weather patterns, and provides nutrients to the forest floor. Without the canopy, the rainforest below would struggle to survive. The canopy acts like a sponge, absorbing and releasing water in a continuous cycle. This helps maintain the delicate balance of the rainforest climate. Often overlooked, the canopy is also home to a vast array of insect species. From brightly colored butterflies to industrious ants, insects are crucial to the survival of this ecosystem. In fact, some species never leave the canopy during their entire life cycle. Leafcutter ants create colonies within the branches, farming fungus from the leaves they harvest. These miniature farmers play a vital role in breaking down plant material and keeping the canopy ecosystem thriving. Despite its importance, the canopy is under threat from human activity. Deforestation, logging, and climate change are all slowly eating away at this delicate world. As the canopy shrinks, the species that depend on it face extinction, and the entire rainforest ecosystem is thrown into imbalance. Conservation efforts are critical to preserving the rainforest canopy. Scientists and activists are working to protect these habitats, understanding that without the canopy, the entire rainforest is at risk. By preserving the canopy, we are safeguarding one of the planet's most vital ecosystems and ensuring that the creatures who call it home can continue to thrive. The canopy may be out of sight for most, but it should never be out of mind. It is the beating heart of the rainforest, supporting life at every level. And monkeys are well-known arboreal dwellers, but there are many others, like the tiny, iridescent hummingbirds that flit between the flowers. Insects, like the majestic giant swallowtail butterflies, are also found in these layers, feeding on nectar and pollen. One of the most fascinating discoveries in recent years is the existence of canopy rivers, networks of tiny streams and rivulets that flow through the treetops. These rivers are home to a variety of aquatic insects and even small fish that have adapted to life in these aerial waters. The significance of this discovery can't be overstated. It's an entirely new ecosystem that was previously unknown to science. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching. It highlights the importance of preserving these ecosystems, not just for the species that live there, but for the health of the planet as a whole. It's a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about the natural world, and that continued exploration and research are essential for our understanding of it. In summary, the hidden world above the trees is a realm of incredible beauty and complexity, full of unique ecosystems and species that are worth protecting. It's essential that we continue to explore and learn about these ecosystems, and take action to preserve them for future generations. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the hidden world above the trees. What surprised you most about this incredible ecosystem? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about forest ecosystems, be sure to check out my video on the secret life of roots. The jaguar, a symbol of power and mystique, reigns as one of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. Known for its stunning golden coat adorned with dark rosettes, the jaguar captures the imagination of wildlife enthusiasts and casual observers alike. With a robust physique, these magnificent cats are built for strength, allowing them to take down prey much larger than themselves in their lush, tropical habitats. In the dense rainforests, wetlands, and savannas of Central and South America, the jaguar embodies the spirit of the wilderness. As they prowl through the undergrowth, their stealth is unmatched, with padded paws allowing for silent movement. On the banks of winding rivers, they showcase their extraordinary swimming ability, a rarity among big cats, as they hunt aquatic creatures such as caimans and fish. The jaguar's ability to thrive in various landscapes showcases their adaptability, making them a true marvel of evolution. Central to the jaguar's lifestyle is their role as an apex predator. This status helps maintain the balance of their ecosystem, regulating populations of various species, from deer to smaller mammals. The jaguar's powerful jaws can crush bones, allowing it to consume prey in a way that few other carnivores can. As solitary creatures, these big cats roam vast territories, often covering miles in search of food, leaving behind only whispers of their presence as they silently navigate through their domain. The jaguar is not without its challenges, however. Habitat loss, poaching, and fragmentation have led to significant declines in their populations. Conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring the survival of these majestic creatures, promoting awareness of their ecological importance and the need to protect their habitats. Ecotourism initiatives offer opportunities for communities to value living wildlife, emphasizing the beauty of the jaguar while fostering a commitment to its preservation. In conclusion, the majestic jaguar is a powerful emblem of the wild, fascinating in its presence and vital in its ecological role. From their breathtaking beauty to their pivotal role in the balance of nature, jaguars inspire awe and respect. Understanding their significance in the ecosystem and recognizing the threats they face is essential for ensuring that future generations can continue to admire these incredible cats. Let us all work together to protect the legacy of the jaguar and secure its place in the wild for years to come. In the lush, tropical waters of South America, one magnificent creature reigns supreme: the green anaconda. This elusive serpent, known scientifically as Unex murinus, stands as the largest snake in the world by weight and the second longest after the reticulated python. Its fascinating life beneath the water's surface and among the dense foliage reveals a world of stealth and power that captivates all who encounter it. The green anaconda's appearance is striking: a long, muscular body adorned with intricate patterns of dark green and yellow. These colors provide excellent camouflage in the murky waters and thick vegetation where it resides, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its environment, remain undetected, and ambush unsuspecting prey. With eyes and nostrils positioned on the top of its head, the anaconda is a master of stealth, able to remain submerged while hunting, letting just enough of its body emerge to become a silent predator waiting for its quarry to come too close. As a formidable constrictor, the green anaconda has an extraordinary hunting technique. With unmatched strength, it can constrict its prey with powerful coils, suffocating it before swallowing it whole. The diet of this magnificent snake is diverse, ranging from fish and birds to large mammals, including capybaras and even caimans. The hunt is both a thrilling display of natural instincts and a testament to the anaconda's stealth, as it patiently lies in wait, harnessing its surroundings to launch a swift attack. The ecological role of the green anaconda is vital in maintaining the balance